Hi, Scotty.
Hey.
All right, so we got the wheels off. So continuing on, well, before we get to that, show me some light up here. Look at the bushings in the spring seats and on the shocks.
It's all got to be replaced.
That's all got to be replaced. But we already know that.
Yeah.
So, onto the brakes.
Are we ready?
Are we ready?
Are we ready?
Yeah.
That's one of the thinnest rotors I've ever seen a day in my life. These
Oh my
things are
God!
Shot.
Yeah, that's not good.
I don't know if you can catch that.
Yeah,
That's a complete groove right through.
Yep. Needs rotors. There is, from the lug nuts,
Yep.
because somebody probably ugga-dugga the living bejesus out of them.
Yep. So we're going to have to...
Lug nuts, rotors, and they put fresh-ish pads in it if you shine the light. But it's, yeah, no S.0.
Yeah, exactly. So we need to do pads, rotors,
At this
lug
point,
nuts.
even probably just calipers, because all the hoses need to be replaced. So might as well just knock it out. So everything is new and fresh and safe.
Yep.
Safe is the key word.
And stabilizer bar end link bushings.
Yeah, we covered that already.
Oh, okay, because I was up taking notes, so...
You were taking notes. That's part of the suspension. It's
Yep.
all
Gotcha.
concoct. All right, let's go to the right front. Yeah, this way, Scotty. Right front. Right front.
Interesting.
Do you know colors?
But some vendors say that's the right front.
Well, some vendors are dumb. But we know
So this one's...
no groove, but
Yeah.
it's thinner than thin.
Yep. Pads.
The huge. Oh, wow, look at this bushing. Lights.
Oh, God.
Oh, my God.
Yeah.
All right. Well, nothing terrible. Basically, if it's rubber, it needs to be replaced.
Yeah.
No big
So
deal.
we're looking at rotors, wheel bearings, pads, hoses.
Calipers, because
Yeah.
it's right there. Hardware. Tomato.
Yeah,
But
exactly.
otherwise,
I mean, this is in really
Solid.
yeah. It's in really, really nice shape.
it's got some surface patina, but there's no rusty, crusty holes.
Nope.
You know, it's not bad. Okay, let's go to the left rear, and then we'll go to the right rear.
Well, we're going to go that way, so we'll go right then left.
That would be left and then right.
Okay, so let's go left then right.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, that's what I said.
No, you didn't. This guy. Da-da-da! Hold on, I'm doing a quick little artsy. Okay.
I'll let you hold lighter.
Drum off.
Ooh.
Wow.
Oh.
Wow.
I'm liking this.
It's oldish, but it's clean and nice.
Ooh, can I see?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, we don't have to do back brakes.
Look at that. There's not even rust on the wheel cylinder. See? Just needs to be
Here,
blown
you
off.
hold this. I want to go get something.
Blow it and lube it. Right, Scotty?
Yeah.
That actually,
That's very nice.
yeah, definitely looks like somebody's been in there.
Yeah, it's been done. It's been done
Sorry,
nicely. Where are you going, Scotty? What are you doing? Are you getting can of brake clean? Today? Don't spray me with it. I haven't been bad.
Stay back.
That's your impressive. Wow. Yeah, the rear brakes appear to be pretty damn good. Do me a favor, show me the inside of the drum, too.
It's just as good.
Beautiful.
Look at this.
It's nice. All right,
It was done.
left
Yeah.
rear
What
brake.
about the seal?
It's a little
I'm not-
damp.
Well, I just sprayed too,
Yeah,
so.
but you can tell it's greasy.
Yeah.
So probably axle seals, which is fine. The axles have to come out anyway because we have to reseal the diff. But the brakes themselves,
Yeah.
they can stay put.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we don't have to touch it.
It's good. All right, well,
that'd
let's
be
go check
so
the
nice.
right rear. Here you go.
Going back to work.
Yeah, go back to work. Hey, Bernsey, go back to work.
I just wanted to see what you guys were looking at. I'm a little jealous.
Nudies? Just kidding.
No.
It's an aftermarket drum because it says Century on the other side.
Yeah.
But
Doesn't, I mean,
not bad. No, looks real nice.
yeah.
God, that looks good too. There's one little crack here from heat. I really wouldn't sweat that too much
Here,
because
let's do a cleaning.
it's so new, but yes.
Wait, before we do that. No, the axle seal is leaking on that side.
Yep. Well, we've got to replace them both. But other than that, this isn't too shabby, realistically.
No, it's not.
And there's cracking in this shoe really bad, like this one's been dragging.
That's why I
And your
wanted to.
brake clean is exposing the crack. Look, that's cracked all
Woohoo!
the
Yeah, we got to do back brakes.
way. Okay, so we just got to get shoes. Everything
Yeah.
else looks good. That's
Yeah,
easy.
everything else looks
That's
really
easy.
good.
That's cheap. And you know what? We'll turn these just real quick just to kiss them because it'll be fresh surface. No big deal.
Yeah,
But
and you can see some of the.
ooh, yeah, that's a
Yeah.
little scored. Okay, so easy peasy.
Lemon squeezy.
Nothing too major. I guess let's put our wheels back on.
Are these Raybestos?
No, Raybestos isn't green. Those are
Yes,
rebuilt.
these are.
Those are rebuilt.
Oh, that's what I'm like. Wow, these I haven't seen Raybestos in.
Oh, we get
years.
Raybestos stuff all the time.
Yeah.
But not bad. No big
Yeah.
deal.
Yeah, all minor stuff.
That's
on the back
cheap
end.
and easy. Are you
all right?
alive?
Okay.
And he's okay. Anyway, all right. So let's go wheels on. Let's go back into the engine bay, finish our inspection in there, and then let's get ready to do a compression test.
Sounds like a plan, Stan.
Who's Stan?
Who's Bob?
Stan?
Wait a minute, Stan. Family Guy. No. American Dad.
Yes.
That's what it is.
Anyway, all right. Looks good.
On that note, see ya.